Hello everyone, today I will share you a class about Python. There is a class online that teach you about Python from A to Z machine learning. Today I will share you the part one of that class, how to get the dataset and how to import the libraries, how to import the dataset. There is also a dataset which you will practice with it and how to import it to Anconcda to Python and how to get the missing data, how to get the casual data, how to splitting the data set into the training set and test test set. Sorry, the future scaling and data processing template. First of all, there will be a link which will share in the be down the video. You will see it in the description of that video. Go to that link and open it. You will get that file here in file upload. Just free download, upload it. Then you will get it here. Just extract that file. Extract here. There is the file. Here you will find the section about. There is a lot of videos here explaining step by step about the dataset, the part one which I told you about it. This is the dataset what you will practice with it, and also there is also about that in R language the dataset, also the missing data, how to get. This is all what you need for part one, the data pre-processing, and I'll share you the part two and the others classes when I have done with this video.